Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi, recently I was working using my Wi-Fi connection and suddenly my internet stopped working. You can see my Wi-Fi is connected. According to this icon, I should be able to access the internet. But when I click to open my browser to access internet, this is displaying there is no internet connection. Below you can see there is something wrong with the proxy server or address is incorrect. I thought this is a temporary problem and this would be resolved if I restart my computer. So I have done with my computer restart, but still it did not resolve the problem. I tried the same thing in Internet Explorer. It is saying the proxy server is not responding. I never configured a proxy setting, but suddenly this came across. Friends, I tried over internet if there is any possible resolution for this problem. To resolve this, I found some solution from internet. According to them, using internet options, then go to connections, click on LAN settings, and you can see the checkbox for use a proxy server for your LAN. This should not be checked actually. I thought it's simple. If I uncheck it, click OK and click OK again, it should resolve my problem. But I again refresh my browser. Let's see in google.com. It is displaying the same message. So I thought to restart my computer. Maybe those settings are not applicable until unless my computer will not be restarted. Still you can see proxy server is not responding. So I tried one more time. Go to internet options, then connections, then LAN settings. Don't you think it is surprising? Because this checkbox you have unchecked previously and you restarted your computer, after that again it is checked. So it is reverting its situation. There is another option for change proxy server setting. Under settings in Windows 10, click on change proxy setting and you can see for internet browsing purpose, according to this, use a proxy server. I also tried to disable it from here. As soon as I disable it, the save button also grayed out. It means it is not allowing me to save these settings. I tried many methods, but I could not find any working solution. But I found one solution. Let me show you. Press Windows R and type msconfig. After that, go to boot option, select safe boot, click OK. It will ask you to restart your computer. You can restart right away. Now my internet is working. Let's try another website, www.microsoft.com. You can see internet is working now. What I did is, after turning my computer to safe mode, I restarted in safe mode. What I did actually, I pressed Windows R and I typed this inetcpl.cpl. Then go to connections, then LAN settings and uncheck this. So when we run our computer in safe mode, so it basically run on an administrator account. So all the settings which we want to change, we can change it easily. So I unchecked it, then clicked on OK, and that's how it resolved my problem. After that, again I turned it back to as normal. So friends, what I am doing here, I did it in safe mode. So once you restore your proxy server or uncheck the checkbox for proxy server, go to boot, then safe mode. Uncheck it, click normal. So your computer will run normal without safe mode and it will resolve your problem. Now you can see in proxy server settings, your default proxy server is disabled. So it will automatically detect settings when connecting to internet. Now you can enjoy your browsing. I believe this video will help to resolve the problem.